Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to register as a Deliveroo rider for delivery jobs in Ireland. First, head over to Deliveroo's official rider website at rider.deliveroo.ie. Click on Apply to be a rider and then hit the Apply Now button to start your application. The first question you'll see is, why would you like to ride for Deliveroo? You'll have a few options like, I want flexible hours or I want extra income. Just pick the one that best matches your motivation. Next, you'll need to select your preferred work location. Make sure to choose the city where you actually plan to deliver. This helps Deliveroo assign you to the right delivery area. Now, it's time to enter your personal information. Type in your first name and last name. Make sure it matches your government ID. Enter your email address and phone number. After that, choose your delivery method. You can select from a bicycle, e-bike, scooter, or car. For this example, I'll pick scooter. Once you've entered all your details, Deliveroo will send you two verification codes, one to your email and one to your phone. Enter those codes in the app and your application will be submitted. If your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation by email and text message. After that, you'll be able to log in, start accepting orders, and begin delivering food. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Deliveroo rider account in Ireland. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.